Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should already be signed into the account that manages government content. Enable two-factor authentication now if not set. Once done, open YouTube, choose Explore from the left menu, and tap the Government tab to load official channels and playlists. Make sure your browser or app is updated and permissions for location or notifications are accepted. This ensures the tab curates relevant local government feeds. You'll immediately see curated civic videos. Tap any to begin watching or press subscribe for key channels. Once the Government tab is open, use the filter controls to narrow results. Choose live, recent, specific departments or topics to focus the feed. You can sort by date or relevance depending on whether you need the newest briefings or background material. Make sure to use Watch Later and Save to build a quick reference list, and open channel pages to access official playlists, schedules, and published contact details. This approach helps you monitor live events, follow specific agencies, and retrieve documentation quickly. Finish by subscribing to priority channels and enabling the bell to receive live and upload notifications. This keeps you informed without manual checks. If you need content added or see incorrect labeling, use YouTube's feedback tool to report it and include timestamps or channel names. If the Government tab doesn't populate, clear your browser cache or app data, update the app, and retry. If problems persist, sign out and test another account to isolate permission issues. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.